Ever wondered how something as small as a fennel seed could be a powerhouse of health benefits? Today we dive into the world of these tiny aromatic seeds that are brimming with potential. Fennel seeds, a common ingredient in many of our kitchens, are not just for adding flavor to our dishes. They're a treasure chest of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Let's start unearthing these benefits one by one. Firstly, fennel seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber. Consuming them can help regulate your bowel movements and keep constipation at bay. These seeds act as a natural laxative, ensuring your digestive system works smoothly. Secondly, the seeds are packed with minerals like copper, iron, calcium, potassium, manganese, selenium, zinc, and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining various bodily functions, from bone health to heart rhythm. Did you know fennel seeds are also a good source of antioxidants? Yes, they are. They contain several potent antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which can help in fighting off harmful free radicals in the body. Another impressive benefit of fennel seeds is their potential to help with weight loss. They can act as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you feel full and reducing your calorie intake. Ever heard of natural breath fresheners? Fennel seeds are one of them. Chewing on these seeds can help freshen your breath while also aiding in digestion. Furthermore, fennel seeds have been used in traditional medicine for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. They can help soothe swelling and fight off infections. Lastly, for those who suffer from menstrual cramps, fennel seeds could be your new best friend. They have been known to help alleviate menstrual pain and discomfort. To sum it up, fennel seeds are not just your ordinary spice. They are a rich source of dietary fiber, packed with essential minerals, potent antioxidants, and have properties that aid in digestion, weight loss, freshening breath, reducing inflammation, fighting infections, and easing menstrual discomfort. Next time you see these tiny seeds, remember they are small but mighty. So how about adding some fennel seeds to your diet?